please stand if you're able for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please be seated.
Good morning, Bulldogs. My name is JJ Lopez, and I'm your host for this Week Morning Buzz. Today is Friday, October 3rd, and this is C-Day. Let's learn a little bit about the movie Martian.
I'm Kate, and today I'm going to be telling you about one of my favorite movies that just celebrated its 10th anniversary yesterday. The Martian has won 40 different awards and an Oscar nomination for Best Visual Effects. It's an adaptation of Andy Weir's popular novel about an astronaut named Mark Watney who's left behind on Mars by his crew on the Hermes after a fierce Martian storm. Watney begins to accept his fate when NASA deems a proposed rescue mission too risky, but the Hermes crew gets a hold of the plan and decide to follow through with it. In a thrilling climax, we see the Hermes crew reach Watney, but do they successfully save him?
The scientific accuracy of the film, I think, is remarkable. What they show in The Martian, we could find places on Mars that look that way.
Despite having stunning visuals, many parts, including the storm in the beginning, are unrealistic. One thing is for sure, The Martian does a great job of leaving viewers thinking about the mystery of our future in space.
Wow, pretty interesting. Now let's head to the kitchen with Chef Juliet.
Hi, I'm Juliet Saya, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a cinnamon sugar banana bread. Here's what you'll need. A half cup of granulated sugar, a half cup of flour, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon baking soda, 1/8 teaspoon salt, 1 banana.
Take a look at your bananas. They should be spotted and dark and really fragrant.
1 egg and 3 tablespoons of salted butter. First, preheat your oven to 350 and don't forget to prep your loaf pan. Then, in a medium bowl, add the sugar, flour, nutmeg, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. In a separate bowl, you can begin mashing the banana until it looks like this, followed by the egg until well combined. Pour the banana mixture into the dry ingredients and mix until it's as smooth as possible. Lastly, melt the 3 tablespoons of butter and add it into the mixture. Make sure there's no pools of butter left over in the batter. Here's the cinnamon sugar topping. All you need is 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of sugar mixed together. Now with your prepped loaf pan, you can start pouring in the mixture. Personally, I like to add a little middle layer with the cinnamon topping, but there's no major significance to this. Once the oven is ready and the banana bread is put together, bake for 30 to 38 minutes. And it should be practically ready to serve immediately after taking it out of the oven. This banana bread's perfect snack for fall. I hope you like this recipe.
Yummy in my tummy. Now it's time for the greatest debate, tennis and pickleball.
Hello, my name is Eric, and I'm going to tell you why pickleball and tennis are different sports. Some people say that pickleball is the same as tennis, but there are a lot of differences between the two sports. One big difference between the sports is the rules. For example, when playing tennis, you can volley the ball immediately and not have any consequences. But pickleball, you need to let the ball bounce and can't volley until one successful rally of the ball. When on the court of tennis, you can hit the ball anywhere unless the ball goes off the court. But in pickleball, you can't hit the ball in a no volley zone, also called the kitchen. As the name says, you can't volley the ball in this zone. For equipment, tennis uses rackets and a softer ball, while pickleball uses bigger versions of ping pong paddles and a version of a wiffle ball, but it's smaller. Also, the court in pickleball is smaller than the tennis courts. One last big difference with pickleball is serving. For tennis, you serve by volleying the ball to the opposing side, but for pickleball, you serve the ball by doing a forehand hit to the ball.
That means you're in the right position and you're the correct server, or you're in the right position and you're the correct receiver.
All in all, tennis and pickleball have some similarities, but have differences in rules and equipment for them to be different sports. My name is Eric, and that is why tennis and pickleball are different sports.
Last week, HVCHS held an activities fair. Here's a recap.
The activities fair at HVCHS occurred on September 17th during lunch. Over 50 clubs were represented at this annual event. If you were unable to make it, check out the slideshow sent out in Encores. While this was an opportunity to discover and sign up for clubs, you can still join.
Are you ready for another ski season? Come join the ski club. Ski and snowboarders are welcome. Sign up and register before October 10th. Friday, October 10th is the deadline. First come, first serve. If you're interested, make sure you pick up the permission slips and drop off your money to Miss Shin or Miss Crognell in the VP's office. Our ski dates this year will be starting on January 9th and running all the way through to the first week of February. Friday nights from 3 to 11 p.m. Hope to see you on the slopes.
At last, the movie mystery. Remember, the first student and the first staff member to email Miss Riley with the correct answer will win black and gold cup points.
So this guy just flew into Midtown, started attacking people, demanding for a seat money to show up.
Yeah, it's all there in my article.
I need not to actually make it through your writing clerk. Knowledge is worth many sacrifices. That isn't one of them.
Ha ha ha. Very funny, Lois.
Oh my god. It's so funny.
22 people in the hospital, over 20 million in property damage, and really does make you wonder.
Wonder what?
As great as he is, maybe Superman didn't think for the ramifications of the Bravia thing.
What this guy do from Bravia?
What do you mean? His name is Hammer Bravia.
Yeah, I doubt his parents named him that, Jimmy.
Last week's movie mystery was Karate Kid. And our two winners from last week are Emily Simpson and Miss Miggs, who won 50 points each for the gold team. That's all for today, Bulldogs. I hope you have a great week, Hopewell.